Hello, everyone. Welcome to the fourth assignment. In this assignment, we're going to take things to the next level by actually creating a physical project from the digital SVG design so that you can truly experience the power of designing and creating something from scratch. Your task for this assignment is to first design a paper flower SVG and then cut it out to create a 3D paper flower. Here's an image of the petals that I got from disassembling fake flowers. You can either use this image or you can get your own flowers, disassemble them and take a photo to work with. If you'd like to use this image, you can download it using the button below and save it on your computer. So here I am in Affinity. Let's add the photo here. And to add the photo, just simply click and drag it to the canvas. Next, lock this layer and add another layer. Grab the pen tool and start tracing. So it's totally up to you what tracing technique you'd like to use. If some paths don't turn out the way you want them, remember you can always go back and edit them. Nothing here is set in stone. You can add notes, you can delete them, modify them any way you like to get the perfect shape. It's all about practice and being patient here. All right, so that looks pretty good. Now, let's trace this one. So these petals are flat from the top, so I'll be adding two nodes on the sides, as you can see here. I'm using the convert to smooth option here to fix up these tiny corners and smoothen out the curve. Now let's trace the last one here. This time I'm going to use the Alt key method. Okay, so that's pretty much done. Now let's delete the original image. Now you can go ahead and modify this further. And let's fill these up as well. Next, I'm going to add some score lines in the center using the line mode under the pen tool. Next, we need to group the lines and the petals together so that when we open this up in Design Space, the lines aren't scattered all over. All right, so just select all and click Group. So we have 3 groups here, perfect. Now let's go to Files, Export, SVG for Web, Whole Document, and Export. Let's open this up in Design Space. And there you go. As you can see here, right now the lines are set to cut. Don't worry, that's not a mistake. We need to change this to score manually because this functionality is only available in Design Space software. You do not have the option for scoring in the illustration software. So click on each of these lines and select score from the line type. Next, click on the lines and the corresponding petal and click on attach so that when you move to the mat, the lines stay exactly where they need to be. All right, now let's see how it looks on the mat. So everything looks perfect and ready to be cut. Awesome. All right, so now it's your turn. Design a flower SVG, cut it out, create a paper flower, and share it in the Facebook group. I can't wait to see what you create. See ya!